Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel Teach Me, and today we are going to discuss the next topic, that is subtraction by Nikhilam Navatash Caramam method. So here we will discuss few examples to understand this concept very easily. So first of all, let us see, this is a subtraction in which we have a 5-digit number and we have a 6-digit number. We have to subtract this 5-digit number from this 6-digit number. So what we can do, that first we have to count, this is 5, so we will count from this side 5-digit, 1 2 3 4 5. So after 5 we will put a stroke over here, then we will start the solving question. Like this method is also called as all from 9 and last from 10. So for the last digit we will subtract this from 10, so we will write it here 10 minus 8 equals to 2, and for rest all we will subtract all other all with 9. So we will subtract this with 9, 9 minus 5 4, 9 minus 6 3, 9 minus 3 6, 9 minus 4 5, and the last digit which is left over here, that is 1, we will subtract 1 from it. So 1 minus 1 would be here 0. So let's understand the next example that will clear our all doubts. So see here we have 4 digits. So we will count here 1, 2, 3 and 4. So we will put a stroke over here. Now we will start solving from here. We will subtract the last digit from 10. So 10 minus 8 will give us 2. Then 9 minus 4 will give us 5. 9 minus 3 will give us 6. 9 minus 5, 4. Now the remaining is 60 over here. So we will subtract 1 from 60 and that will give us 59. Now come to the next question. So here we can see that there is last 2 digit is 0. So in this case we have to ignore this 2 digit and then use the same method for this next 4 digit. So before we ignore this digit, we will first count it here as it is 6 digit. So we will count 2 to 4 to 6. So we put a stroke over here. Then we will, ignoring this 2 digit, we have to write over here both the 0 we have written over here. Now see, for last digit we have to subtract this from 10. So 10 minus 3 is 7. Then we have to subtract other digits with 9. So 9 minus 4 is 5. 9 minus 2 is 7. 9 minus 5 is 4. And now the next is 7 over here. So we will subtract 1 from the 7 and that will give us 6. So these were very easy to understand. But now let us come to a bit complex part of it, where we have to use the same method, that is last from 10 and all other from 9. So in this case there is a bit of complexity, so we will understand it a bit slow. Like we have to subtract this 3 from 9. So since 3 is greater than 9, so first method is you have to do is to subtract 9 minus 3. That will give us 6. Now as we have told that this is the method all from 9 and last from 10, so we will subtract this 6 from 10 and this will give us 4. So we will write over here 4. Now the next is 4 and 6. 6 is greater. So again we will do 6 minus 4 will give us 2. And then now the last is done from 10. So other all will be done from 9. So 9 minus 2 will give us 7. So we will write over here 7. And now we will go to the next step, and that is 6 and 8. Again 8 is greater than 6. So what we will do, 8 minus 6 is 2, and then again we will subtract it from 9. So 9 minus 2 will give us 7. We will write here 7. Then again we are going to the last step. 7 minus 4 will give us 3. So in this case 7 is greater than 4. So we will write here 7 minus 4 is equals to 3. But we will subtract 1 from the last digit as we used to do in the earlier case. Like 7 minus 1 will give us 6, has given us 6. So in the same manner we have to do here also. So that will be 3 minus 1 will give us 2. So we will write here 2. So this will be answer for this question. Now let us solve the last question. Again we can see here 5 is less than 8. So what we will do, we will write here 8 minus 5, that will give us 3. So last from 10. So 10 minus 3 will give us 7. Now let us come and write here 7. So again 6 is greater than 2. So we will write here 6 minus 2, which will give us 4. And now 9 minus 4, that will give us 5. So we will write here 5. Now again we have seen 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1 will give us 3, and we have to subtract 1 from the last. So 3 minus 1, that is 3 minus 1, that will give us 2. So we have to write here 2. So this will be our answer. So in this way we have finished our the subtraction method by Nikhilam, Navatash, Caramam method. This is the syllabus of Delhi University for Vedic mathematics. Thanks for watching, and like the video, subscribe the channel and share with your friends so that this will be helpful for others also. Thank you so much.